So I just wanted to make like a short intro to this video, but I got a couple of clips of me building a gaming PC with my younger brother, for my younger brother. And I don't know if anybody that watches this is into gaming PCs, but it'd be nice to hear your feedback on what you saw was done or components that were used. But thanks for watching. Okay, so I have audio plugged in. It's hopefully the right one. This USB thing, which came from this RGB and fan control, which I have all the fans and RGBs hooked up to that, and then that's got this connector which goes up to the cooler thingy, and this connector was on just B3. That comes out and that goes into this, and just B4 comes out and also goes into this, and this thingy, this black big power thingy, I have that going into that, which I know that's right. I don't know how to figure out these CPU things because I have a bunch of different wires for the power. You want to do it, Chris? Okay, we got lights.
I'm running to the Dollar Tree.
We got some fans. We got fans on.
Is it working?
It's plugged into the... This just turned off. Okay. Nothing's happened with the monitor. Oh, everything just turned off.
Yeah. Maybe it's...
And back on again. I didn't record much, but I did just finish up building this gaming PC with my little brother. Got him a 34-inch wraparound monitor. Chris, what type of graphics card did you get?
RTX 3080.
And CPU?
Intel Core i7 12700K.
And motherboard.
Z690.
And it is liquid cooled. We got 3 fans pulling out air this way, 3 fans pushing air in that way, or maybe it's reversed. Hopefully this is somewhat entertaining. He had an Intel Core i7 something CPU. I don't remember the motherboard. The processor, no, not processor, graphics card was 3080 RTX. I don't know anything about this, but I want him to have a good PC. So if you guys have any recommendations or suggestions in the comments, if you could leave that there. He's hooked up via HDMI to his monitor. He got his own keyboard and mouse. That's just what he wanted. He has 2 terabytes of RAM, I believe. No, he has 38 of RAM, 2 terabytes of storage. The RAM is his Samsung. But yeah, hopefully you liked this short video. If you did like it, comment any questions or advice or things that maybe he should consider or I should consider adding for him. He's using it to game, probably mostly Minecraft, but maybe some Call of Duty. And yeah, I got this new fish tank behind me with some tetras, some guppies, some coolie loaches on the bottom, and a couple mystery snails, my gerbils, and my geckos down here, my leopard gecko. Thanks for watching.